Hello traders, before I get into the review, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so on my screen right now, I am looking at the MQL5 Marketplace page for Golden Hen EA. This is developed by Tena Altinsoy, and this version is strictly for MT5. So this is an MT5 expert advisor priced at 899 US dollars, which places it in a premium category compared to most EAs on the marketplace. It currently shows 8 activations and the latest version is 5.7, updated in May 2026. Now, as I scroll through the overview, the main idea behind this EA is that it is designed specifically for XAUUSD, which is gold. What immediately stands out is that it doesn't rely on a single strategy. Instead, it combines 9 independent strategies that operate across multiple time frames ranging from M5 all the way up to W1. So right away, this is a multi-layer system that is trying to interpret the market from different perspectives at the same time. One important point I notice is that it clearly states there is no grid, no martingale, and no averaging system involved. Every trade uses a predefined stop loss and take profit, which means risk per trade is structured rather than open-ended. Now, moving into the strategy breakdown, each strategy is tied to specific market conditions. For example, some strategies focus on short-term reversals on M30, others focus on breakout behavior during sessions like Tokyo and London, and others are designed around higher time frame trend continuation or long-term breakout structures. There are also liquidity-based strategies mentioned, such as sweep and fake out behavior during different trading sessions. So what this tells me is that the EA is not dependent on one market condition, but instead attempts to adapt depending on how the market is behaving. Another key detail is that all strategies can be individually enabled or disabled in the settings, which gives some level of customization depending on how the user wants to run it. Okay, so before moving into testing, I also noticed the recommended setup. It is optimized for XAUUSD on the M5 time frame, and the developer clearly states that the time frame should not be changed while the EA is running. Minimum deposit is listed at $200, and there is also guidance on lot sizing depending on account balance and prop firm usage. It also mentions that the uninterrupted operation is important, and some strategies rely on continuous market tracking. So running this on a stable VPS is recommended, to avoid interruptions that could reset internal logic. Now I'm going to switch into the strategy tester and run a historical backtest so we can observe how Golden Hen EA behaves on gold under real market conditions. Okay, so here we have the Golden Hen EA. All right, so we have the Golden Hen EA here. The symbol is XAUUSD. We're just going to run the test on the M5 time frame, which is the recommended time frame. All right, we are running the test from the beginning of this year till date, so we can get a reasonable data for the back testing. For the delays, we're using last ping to the server, everything modeling, and then we're just going to run the test immediately. All right, so we're just going to look at the chart history, and then we're also, we're just going to look at the chart history, identify a couple of trades and all of that, and then we're also going to go to the results and see how the EA performed over the space of a little less than 5 months. All right, so looking at the chart now, what I'm focusing on first is how the EA handles different phases of the market, especially because it is running multiple strategies in parallel. So you can see how trades are not coming from a single pattern, but instead appear across different market conditions depending on volatility and structure. Right? In some areas, entries seem to align with sharp directional moves, while in other areas, trades appear around reversals or retracement phases. This matches the idea that multiple strategies are active and responding differently depending on the situation. Okay, what also stands out in the historical data is how risk is structured around fixed stop loss and take profit levels, which keeps each trade clearly defined in terms of exposure. Now, you would also notice that there is reasonable spacing between the trades. Okay, you can see that the EA is not the type to just stack trades at a go. There's reasonable spacing between the trades. Okay, now moving into the results, this is strictly historical backtest performance, and it is important to understand that this does not guarantee future outcomes. All right, it simply reflects how the EA behaved under past conditions on XAUUSD. Okay, so performance can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size, broker execution, spreads, slippage, and market conditions. So relying only on backtest results would not give the full picture. Now, from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit is $260. All right, the total trades taken were just four. No short trades you are taking. The long trades we are four, of course, no short trades. So it means that all the four trades taken we are long with a 50% win rate. Now, the largest profit was 350.2, largest loss was 220.2. The average profit 350.1, the average loss 220.1. So the risk to reward ratio, based on the information we have here, the risk to reward ratio is it's not good enough. Okay, maybe it's not bad per se. It's not bad. It's around 1:1.5 thereabouts, but it's manageable, I guess. But as for the win rate is also not good enough. 50% win rate, right? So it's not surprising to see a little total net profit. Okay, it's not surprising at all. So personally, I would recommend running longer term testing across different market phases so you can better understand how the EA behaves in trending, ranging, and high volatility environments before considering any live deployment. Overall, the Golden Hen EA presents a diversified, multi strategy approach to gold trading, combining multiple time frames and market models into one system, and the real effectiveness will depend heavily on configuration and real world testing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.